Leo, Leo, so this is true. Oh, Leo, was this necessary? Relax now. Was this necessary? You told me, are you kidding? Are you kidding me? You told me what? It's necessary. And Leo, so this is true, alright? So this is true. You told me what? Was this necessary? Was this necessary? You're mad. You told me. I'm mad. What did you want to also? Shut. You told me. I'll come back for you. So. Otto! Whoa! Is he serious?
Guys, calm down now. Don't they beg on since make una calm down. I know why here. Calm down. Eh? When I calm down now, it doesn't make any sense. Hey, relax. Stop all this talk. You see they go close to him. You want to make it
this kind of talk, Charlie, no, they talk this kind of way they talk about. This guy messed up big time. You messed up, you crossed the line, bro. And I'll deal with you.
Come on, get lost. Listen, let me tell you, Otto. The silence of a man doesn't mean he's weak. Don't take my meekness or weakness. One more hit from you, and you feel the fury of a ruthless tiger.
Relax.
Daring me.
Leon, I made a full talk like that.
You're daring me.
Leon, you don't chop belly food.
No, bring it on.
Can you guys
I should bring it on, right?
No,
Charlie, like they let this guy talk. I should calm down yesterday now. But they talk back now.
Sabina, they say me calm down. Why I carry us come back house? I brought us back here so that we can at least take 1 or 2 drinks and sit down and talk and reflect on all these things and get it off with. What is this now?
There is nothing to talk about. I cannot even stand this idiot right now.
Wait, relax, Wano. Calm down. What's up you now? You come to overdo this thing. You don't forget say we brothers. Now, Shayna, you beat them for
If they talk this brothers thing, the thing they bust my brain. This nigga not fit be my brother. For this life and for the next, this guy not fit be my brother. Never. Yes, as we stand right now, this nigga is just my worst enemy.
Can you even hear yourself? If a stranger is passing and hear you shouting, you think this guy committed one crime.
And do I care?
But you should care.
And why?
Everything that happened was your fault.
How?
Charlie, Leo, meet Lily, my angel. Lily, meet my friends, turn brothers. Charlie, and Leo.
Hello.
The biggest ballers in town. Guys, meet my angel, Lily.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
So, I'm first, can I use the restroom?
Oh, sure. Chalo, she's pressed.
Oh, you want to use yourself?
Yeah.
It's okay. Once you get in the door to your left. Oh boy. Autocratus.
Wow.
Man, what's up with you now? Where'd you get all these beautiful girls? Look at that, she's a beauty queen.
Oh, you can say that again? You can say that again?
Hey,
you can say that again?
Bro, listen. I don't just rate babes just because she's beautiful the way she looks. Listen, not after what Janet did to me. This girl was busy selling her bodies. So all the old big guys in town. On a leaf huh? And she made me believe her because I was blinded by love.
Guy, no, not my woman, Lily. She's different. Yes, I can vouch for her.
Guy, you dey dig your grave. Vouching for a lady you don't know. Lily is no other different than other ladies.
Guys, what's going on? I said she's different. Okay, you know what? I don't really have to go into this banter with you. Let's place a bet if you doubt it.
Whoa, relax, guy. You trust her that much to bet?
Oh, superb. I think it's about time I proved Leo wrong. Because Leo has always been of the mindset that I can go out there and, not come out or come back with a classy, sweet, gorgeous babe. You understand? He thinks that I can just do local and all of that. So I think it's about time I prove you wrong.
Bro, you're not just trying, you're just beating about the bush.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're beating about the bush. Because Lily is no other different than other ladies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enough of the long talk. It's fine, ceteris paribus, all things being equal. Let's play the card. 1 million each. And the money will be sent into Charlie's account.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And you go after Lily. If you have your way with her, the 2 million naira is all yours. But if you don't, the 2 million naira is mine. How about that?
Okay, fine. Deal. I'm in.
Deal. So we'll transfer 1 million naira each to him.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
It's 1 million naira.
Okay.
Yeah, Yes, I cussed it. And still, he shouldn't have done what he did. Nigga, to the point of kissing that girl, kissing my babe. And doing so in an open space. And to add insult to the injury, he sent me the clip. The audacity, actually.
Was that not what you requested for? You wanted evidence and he gave it to you.
But you should have just come for his 2 million naira. I would have given that to him on a platter. And saved me the drama and saved me the embarrassment and the insult. But my woman will talk about here now. This is my babe who I love. And you know, sir, I love this girl. Nigga broke the bro code. Yes, I get it. She disappointed me. But still.
Exactly. That's the point. She disappointed you. The reason you should channel your anger to Lily and not your brother. Come on, man. All he did was to teach you a lesson. A lesson never to trust these Jezebels.
Brother, you know what? It's quite obvious, Charlie, that you've taken sides with Leo.
No,
You have, and it's fine. You know, I'm done. I'm done with whatever this is.
Otto.
Yes, I'm done. Like, I'm done with this conversation.
Wait.
Charlie, free me.
Wait now. Can you just relax? Oh man, I don't just understand. Otto!
Have you seen it so deaf and dumb?
Father, Lord, I worship you, Lord. King of glory, I exalt your name, God. I call you this hour, Lord, that you take pressure control upon our life. I commit my household into your hands. I commit my son Charlie into your hands, Lord. I ask that every demon from where they are coming from, all principalities and powers that are disturbing him, Lord. I say, God, you take it away from him, Lord. Father, Lord, you take it away from him. King of glory, I exalt your name, God. I call you this hour, Lord, that you should take premier control upon our lives. I commit my household into your hands. I commit my son Charlie into your hands, Lord. I ask that every demon from where they are coming from, all principalities and powers that are disturbing him, Lord. I say, God, you take it away from him, Lord. Father, Lord, you take it away from him, Lord. Look at you. You're not even grateful that God gave you a prayerful mother. Eh? Don't you know that a closed marriage is a closed destiny? Some, you have to be fervent in prayer. Do not take lightly the prayer of a good mother. It goes a long way in the life of our children. Do you hear me? I'm praying, I'm not shouting. I have listened to what happened between the two of you. And I must say that I'm highly disappointed. I used to know how you lived like you have the same parents growing up. Whenever you came to my house, I witnessed unity and pure love. It would be a thing of shame if you allow a woman come in between you. I'm not here to know who is at fault. I'm here as a mother who contributed in raising the three of you from childhood. My children, please, let peace reign. One of the good books says, be at peace with all men. Forgive so that you will be forgiven. Your parents will equally be disappointed.
He caused it. No, he did.
I don't care to know who started it. Do you hear me? All I care is that you walk through your differences and find a way to get along. That is all I care. And please, this shouldn't repeat itself again. Wisdom, they say, is profitable to direct. Sometimes it is better not to try than try and fail. You see, Otto made the biggest mistake by betting Leo over a woman. I believe I've told you and your siblings about my experience growing up as a young girl. A young wealthy man proposed marriage to me, and some of my friends advised that I test him to know how strong it is. I accepted just to show them that he loved me. Now, one of my friends went all after my man to test him to see if he would fail, which eventually fell. And before I knew what was going on, my best friend was already pregnant for my man. You see, this is a game gone wrong. Now, this same man is one of the ministers of the Federation. Him and my best friend are happily married with kids. Now, I would have been the wife of the minister. See, do not get me wrong, okay? It's not like I'm not proud of your father, I do. In fact, I am happy I married him. But I lost the opportunity to be the wife of the minister. Now, I don't know why you young ones seem not to learn from the mistake of the older ones. Why would you test a girl or a boy who have already shown interest for you? Why?
Well, I guess it's just test how strong it is.
If you trust them, why don't you wait and watch them show you how much they love you? In fact, it is lack of trust that make people to test their partners. Some at the end might fail the test, not because they are loose, you get me, but because someone who knows their weaknesses finally preyed on them. Now, this is a lesson you must learn. Do not test your woman no matter what. Do you hear me? It's okay.
Please, get me a bottle of Sprite and water. Yes. I think he's pulling in rice. Yeah, he should be back. Ah, Leo. Leo, sit. Sit down. Until they worry you. Sit down. Until they worry you. We are all mature. You should sit and talk. That's why I call. You forgot our brothers, your friends. You've forgotten the oath you took. Also, you needs to be there for you at all times. And you promised never to betray Otto's trust or mine. And I promised you guys I'll always be here for the two of you, to stand by you no matter what. That is what I'm doing. To make sure that we fix this. We need to fix this. I don't like it.
Do you understand? So let's fix it.
Okay. You. I apologize for everything. My actions was competing. I take full responsibility and accountability for my actions. And I say I'm sorry because I wasn't proud of my actions, to be honest. I feel so shit. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I'm forgiving you. But you know what you did was really, really bad. You messed me up.
I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm forgiving you. It's fine. So we're good? Yeah, we're good. You sure we're good?
Nah, I don't see too many clapping hands.
Yeah. Okay, now we're good. We're good. So now what we do? Let's send it to you.
Just send me back my 1 million transfer to Hayes. I don't need this money.
You don't have a better idea. I think I should keep it to you. I mean, I just fixed us, guys, so I should keep the money. You understand?
1 million.
But man,
Online 1 million.
you
Transfer 1 million.
My phone will ring now.
in fact, let us use the money to drink.
Before that, you remember your criminal you have to what's the case for you? I think you just not to
No, not even.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Get us drinks.
Please bring
Make such expenses at your detriment.
Oh, you got me there. It's okay. It's okay.
You not transfer.
Relax, let the money breathe. Let the money breathe. Okay.
Bring him with a glass cup.
In fact, let me transfer this money so that peace will remain.
No, you cannot transfer am. All the other pieces will remain. No,
Let there be peace.
Charlie, not transfer am. No, I'm not even bothered. Don't I have your 3 million there?
No, this is not fair.
No, make me
Okay,
drink.
don't play with me.
Charlie, go drink. Go drink with the 2 million there.
Don't joke. In fact, let me do the transfer to this other phone. It comes different. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, once I see Oh boy.
The last thing was from
Oh boy.
I heard that
See, in this life, have money. Anybody that says otherwise is a devil. I kid you not, have money. It's when you have money that you will understand how sweet this life is.
Really?
You know,
That's I disagree.
what are you saying?
Money is at the root of any troubles.
No. That is logical. Very logical, but not reality.
Guy, relax now. Okay, let's look at it this way. Let's paint this picture. A poor man has got nothing, but rich men has so many entitled, envious, fake friends looking around to reap what they did not sow. Yes.
As much as I want to believe that, I beg to differ. Now listen, whether you're rich or poor, you always have enemies. But hold on, you think there is nobody trying to take somebody's farm for people? That's your yam ban. Somebody wants to take it from you. Alright, so whether you're rich or poor, your enemies will always be there. But this is it. It's a level of wealth you will have. Trust me, brother. Even your enemies, they will want to be aware. That's what I'm talking about.
I agree to some extent, but now here's a catch. How do you know if they are your friend? Your frenemies, yes, that's the best way to put it. How do you know? So you see, but how will they also this also the chase money? You just guys they very careful.
Guys, what you guys are saying. But you see, chasing money, either rich or poor, one has to be very, very extremely careful while chasing that thing. Sorry, second, give me a second.
I'll take 5.
Hello? Are you there already? Yeah, wait for me, I'm coming. Wait for me, I'm coming. No one.
Okay.
You are
quiet.
Listen, you have a catch the flight.
You're lucky you're rich. You're lucky you're rich. Your enemies would have been plenty. Oh boy.
That's not having clients. You and clients. Okay. It's all right.
Damn. Oh my God. Sit.
Yes, I was so carried away by her beauty. Yeah, Chalo. There's gorgeousness. Scarlett. Scarlett is my very good friend and brother, Charles. You can call him Charlie.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you. You look so smart. Thank you. Fine, thank you. And you too. Who's talking? Anyway, you missed our other friend. We are 3. Yes, we're very close. Yes, his name is Leo. So someday you'll see him. Definitely.
Yeah, you can stand in for the 2 of us. It's
okay. Anyway, what do you care for? Your brand? Italian juice.
Oh, please! Oh.
Let's have it, waiter.
Benita, don't mind the idiot too. The guy one day whine me. Can you imagine? One day do me, I love you. No, nothing. You know they even put anything for my account. Me where they find who will give me. see wow. I swear. No, babe, the thing be say, waiting for if they do fine guys. Babe, I go call you back, eh? Hey boo!
Hey my love.
You're back.
Yes, your girl is
Welcome.
back.
What's up now? Just me. My ears are itching.
His friends were around.
Are you serious? His friends?
Yes.
If I had known, I would have gone out with you.
I know.
I'm tired of this single girl's life, oh babe.
You don't tire. You should say don't tire.
I don't tire,
You never
honestly.
tire.
I need my Mr. Right.
Yeah. Anyways, the guys I saw today, they look so rich. And they're very successful, so you don't miss.
Babe, you don't jam maga. You need to hold him tight too. You know our rent will soon be due. And this house is empty. No, now only Indomie you get here. No onions. Nothing. Pepper no even day. Sakpa day.
You said what I said, listen. Because you call me your friend, you don't know that person I be. So I just call this life, they call it, they follow going to my local call.
You don't go blame me now. You know, so you be Oyibo pepper. This is your color, they deceive me. Sometimes I think say you be British woman.
I'm British Obioko. My eye chook the red.
I swear.
When I'm with them, swear, when I'm there here, you know the way now.
I swear.
You know the actor and I we just met.
I know, right?
So I can't just start rushing, start billing.
True.
I gotta take it slowly.
Yeah, you're
Before
right.
you just, I bill them.
One
way express. Shut up.
I trust you, my
baby.
girl. I trust you.
Hey, my love. There's this friend of yours that came. We all sat down together at the bar. If you see this guy. Hey! If you see this guy is so cute. My full time speckle. He's handsome, he's tall, the shoulders don't die for. If this guy home here, my brain problem.
Oh, babe, no.
Are
you serious, babe? But you need to slow it down, I beg. This actor guy is our saving grace, so you know, Alhaji know they pick my call. This stupid man don't go follow one. They say they meet one 19-year-old girl for Kanu. Now that girl now they follow. You know they even answer my call. If not, they go push us for this house. So Our packaging. Our packaging.
Relax.
Hey, God, I beg.
My darling, relax.
Anyway, I trust you,
You just trust me. I can finish work.
I trust.
See, after that I saw, the guy looks like he's loaded.
Oh
So
my
when I begin
God.
extort her, when I begin the bill, you gonna drop the money, you gonna drop the rubber. For now, let's just relax.
Oh, I like that sound.
Just breathe.
I swear.
Hey, you see our rent, we go pay him.
I swear.
That cloth you go buy.
Who they breathe? Oh my God. I trust you.
Oh my darling.
Oh my God.
I'm fine. Nothing else.
Protection now. She got me home.
Besides, she's coming with a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
Why now? You asked me, what is the idea? Already. Hey, baby.
Hey, darling.
My sugar.
My baby. Okay, my love, meet my friend. Hi, I'm Maureen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You can have a sit down. Sit down. I'm Maureen.
Hey. Apple.
Yeah. I have heard so much about you.
Oh, you got
She told me stuff.
okay. From Genesis to
Good things actually, so don't be scared.
okay.
Okay, my darling. This is Charles. Okay. Charles is Maureen, my friend. Okay.
You know what's let me just go get a glass or a drink, something to spice it up. I'll be right back. Just a second. Ooh. It's nice to meet you. Morning.
Yeah. I hope you're okay. I'm fine.
Sorry, yeah, it's okay, man. Please forgive me. I was trying to find you words to.
Thank you.
Yeah. Says bring red wine for the year. Okay. That's yeah. And ladies, man, go hard. Hello. Yeah, sugar. How are you?
There's something I want to talk to you about. Don't. I don't know how you react to it.
That's it.
It's about my husband.
What about your husband?
It was fine enough for me. I can't afford to pay, and my landlord has been on my neck.
And what is it?
It's 400k per annum. And guess what? Maureen has brought us religiously. Can you imagine?
That's what's trying to steal your job. I'll take care of you. Don't worry, I'll send you the money. That's 400, right?
Yeah.
I'll send you 500.
Wait. You do what?
I'll send you 500.
Oh my God, my love.
Oh, baby.
Oh my God, I love you so much.
I love you.
Thank you.
Why should you call
You're the best. The best, yeah. Of course, yes.
Finally, our food is here.
You can say that again.
Babe, I'm so hungry.
Okay. Food is ready.
I was starving, babe.
Oh, yeah, I know you
I'm
can't
really
wait.
starving. No egg.
I want to chop. You see, they talk of egg.
Water, bring Scarlet, no bottle water.
Chop first now. Chop first.
This one is sakpa.
Sakpa.
What happen? Sakpa noodle.
When the phone reach.
What happen?
When the phone reach, my doesn't even do Snapchat video.
Scarlett.
What's happened? What is it?
What is this?
You're not blind, Nana. You dummy. What's happened?
Wait, ma, test them again. Babe, man. Hey, God, I don't die. Which kind of noodles be this now? Which kind? Now, go you cook. Or is this noodles?
I beg. See, at first time you say make cook am, but you say no cook am.
Babe,
so I beg. If you don't want chop, just rest. If you don't want chop, sukwanike, rest.
Babe, even a toddler can make noodles.
Now you sabi.
You baby ma cook am. So you go marry Sunday.
I go marry.
Am I going to follow you to your husband's house?
No, you won't follow me, baby. You won't follow me.
God, I don't die. Babe, I've told you many times, be following me to the kitchen. It's not difficult to cook. You can learn.
I go employ a chef when you reach that point, so don't worry yourself. If you don't want chop, chop her. I beg, I'm gonna worry you. If you don't get hungry, you go chop.
Which kind of wahala be
the form.
I
bet like your boyfriend they form for. I just sabi, I beg.
No, eat am. No. Scarlett, chop am, babe. Chop am now, chop am. What happened? Are you choking? I go bring you water. You choking? Chop am. No be chef, you be. You're a chef, right? I'm a chef. Man, no, chop am now.
If my teeth, I go chop am. What's happened? What's bad?
Today start to get teeth pain.
Tell me teeth problem. Why not go eat am? Why you dey follow you dey laugh? No, why you dey laugh?
God. Your teeth don't pay you.
I go eat am now.
Eat am now.
I go eat am.
Eat am. You want to eat water?
I cannot chop again. I not chop. Do your worst.
I think call it.
I not eat again. Do your worst. I not chop. Carry. Do your worst. Now you sad.
I don't die.
I don't know, I just can't. It's
okay. We'll figure out a way.
I'm just not building up anymore. Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Anyway, so what about the money you promised to send to me?
That's true. Oh. My phone.
You left it in the living room.
Okay. Second minute. Hope you're not upset.
I'm good.
What's happening? I'll be right back.
Yeah. I'll be waiting.
Okay. Unknown caller? Who's this?
Is your phone on speaker?
Who's this?
I just asked, is your phone on speaker?
I don't understand. Who's this? My phone isn't on speak out. Who are you?
Good. The girl you are dating now, she doesn't love you. She's a gold digger. She just needs guys like you to foot her bills. Just be careful.
Who are you? Hello? Hello? situation.
Situation? What situation?
I am sorry, I made a mistake. I don't have up to that amount I mentioned on my account.
Sorry. You mean the 400k you promised to send to me?
Yes.
It's fine. It's okay. That's not a problem. You can send from your various accounts. You're successful and rich, so what's the problem? Don't tell me you have just only one account. Why are you not saying anything?
Yeah. No, okay, can I just send you that money next week?
Next what? Not possible. My landlord's on my neck and I cannot wait till next week. Baby, why you just...
You can tell me not to wait. I don't have this amount on my phone. I don't even have that amount.
Ato, why are you being selfish to me now? Why are you being stingy? What is it?
Why are you raising your voice?
Why won't I raise my voice?
I don't have up to that amount. How will I kill myself?
I don't understand. Ato, please, just do the needful. Please. Stop being annoying now. Just stop it.
How? I only have 10,000 naira in the account.
You're being so ridiculous right now, but I just want to get angry. Please. I need this money. I have to sort myself out. I don't really have much time again.
Alaji, it's me. Alaji, am I not your baby girl again? It's me. Okay, you call me back, right? Okay.
Very foolish somebody. Useless human being.
Babe, what happened?
I beg.
Why is your face...
Can you just imagine?
Okay, what happened?
That stupid boy, who is the actor?
Actor is a stupid guy?
God.
What did he do? Did you catch him with a girl?
Oh, that would have been better. Because that boy is a big scum. Oh, God.
Okay, I'm trying to understand. Can you break it down for me, please?
You know I told you I was going to his place to get part money for our rent.
Okay.
To add to yours.
So did he give you?
I wish him. That fool. That idiot. He just told me that he doesn't have. He doesn't have. And the one that is even paying me the more is the fact that after using me, making love to me, the beast is not telling me this useless statement that he doesn't have. He doesn't have.
Oh my God.
It will never be well with that guy.
Wait, the guy chop you?
He chopped me, He chopped me clean mouth.
He chopped everything. I
Fool! That's everything they pay me. They pay me rich blood. Very stupid fool.
I don't expect this from Ato.
Oh, God.
What happened? Oh my God. Anyway, I understand your pain, babe. Just calm down, because maybe the guy doesn't have.
If you don't get it better now, he go say you don't get. You don't get money, you won't chop. He goes, you will starve. He goes starve. I force him. Then why must he make love to me first? Why must he make love to me if he doesn't have?
And the guy can't chop food.
He chop food. Clean mouth. You know the worst part? He can't tell me say that before when he entered, I said they do. I said, what happened? He said, what happened? I said that when this boy said, oh, I've suffered. It will never be well with him.
You guys, what's this now? This isn't funny. What?
Oh my God. So you mean Scarlett called you out that because she feels giving up?
Yeah, you need to see her reaction. Yes, she also threatened to end the relationship.
Again, it was something else.
Relationship whenever she. So,
let me be honest with you.
You got that.
Oh, you do? You know, I've always told you that there's nothing like real love. Nothing like that. It's either love, sex, or love for money, or sex for money. There's nothing like real love. I've always told you, and I'm certain you got this. I'll tell you what, listen, I'm sure you promised her. Right? And then she came to see you. You took her upstairs. And, you know, after enjoying you and not coming to there, I don't have money to give. If now you know, go feel bad. No, she's really hot now, come on. She is.
So what you're trying to tell me now that she's now a Ross girl? Is that what you're trying to say?
See, let me tell you, the problem is that you don't understand they are not the same. See all these girls? They're the same thing. The problem you have is that you're a nice guy. And you're always telling me, take it easy with these girls, stop this thing, and I laugh. Because me, I've told myself, I said, no girl will see my 1 naira until I've seen their account. It's a simple, it works. It works all the time. I'm telling you.
So what's your plan with Scarlett? Are you still interested in settling down with her?
No, this part I don't know. I doubt she loves me.
You're doubting her love?
Well, there's something like that. I'm confused. Okay, no, I don't even believe you guys in the gist. What's that? The stranger called. Saying that I shouldn't take her seriously. That she's after my money. I should be very careful with her. Did you hear that?
Who was that?
That was the time I was with her. The one stranger in the chat, no call, so I don't know, that girl is so worried. You know? I'll be questioning it a bit. In fact, that changed my mind. So I'm actually sending her the money I was supposed to. Oh, yes. Okay, so what's your plan? Are you still going to solve that issue? Guys, I'm confused. I know the answer, don't worry. Okay. What? No, nothing.
I am so sorry for what happened yesterday. Please.
And you're just coming here right now to say you're sorry.
Yeah. I've just been so swamped with a lot lately. I apologize.
It's okay. I'm not important, so...
Hey, that's so true. Of course you are. Okay, I promise I'll make it up to you.
Anyways, so what about the money?
Of course I'll send it to you.
You send it to me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Now you're talking.
So?
You can send it now. Yeah, make a transfer.
I will. Let's go.
Okay.
Let me drop you off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're cool now, right?
We're cool now until I see my money.
Yes, I know.
Okay. You can have your seat then. Why are you staring at me?
What's that? My bad, so sorry. It's your beauty. Your body, you're so sexy. You drive me crazy whenever I look at you. But I'll stop it. I'm trying to stop looking.
No, it's okay. It's fine. Thanks a lot for the compliment, I will say. Trust me, I would have to confess that you look so good too. And I love guys with good body physique. And trust me, guys that can last in bed, whew, it's a lot.
Okay, yeah. That makes sense. Why you go with my friend? I get that.
No. Well, I'm not talking about that on your friend. I'm just stating in general.
Hold on, you're saying...
But it's okay. It's okay. It's quite private. I don't want to talk about that.
Wait, I thought that's the last thing.
I don't want to talk about it, please. Yeah. Okay, let's just say that.
Sorry, excuse me.
It's okay.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, help me microwave the mom so
Sure. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Your girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
It's okay, never mind, it's fine. I just, I don't want to intrude. Can I ask you some questions? If you don't mind.
No, please.
I know this might quite, it might be quite personal. I don't want you to take some offense if it's a bit offensive.
Not at all, please. Shoot.
I should shoot?
Yes, ask.
Okay. Do you love sex? I mean, like, do you love sex?
Sex? Who wouldn't love sex? I love sex.
Wow.
I love it a lot. It's good to have sex. Okay. Good sex when it's necessary and when it matters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how often do you have sex?
These questions are very necessary.
I don't know, it's just, I'm just asking, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have sex all the time? Like, how long can you last in bed?
Okay. Since you're asking,
Yeah.
I will last now. I last until you beg me to come.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So you mean you're one of those guys that shaved?
Well, I've been called many names by many girls. I shift to women, I shift to other things that I don't know about.
Other things?
Oh, I last. I go in deeper and harder.
Like, seriously?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Yeah. I'm trying to get it.
He must be good on bed, unlike actor. Just take a look at his physique.
You good? You alright?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm just imagining how his chest pumps while banging me from behind. Then I'll just rub his chest and broad shoulders gently.
Yeah.
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 I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite, sweet. Ooh. It's getting hot, right?
Yeah.
You're feeling some temperature? Oh, yes. Oh, please, mommy, keep me! Hurt my feet. This thing hurts my feet. I feel it.
Oh, so sorry. Yeah.
My leg, yeah.
So sorry, it's even red. So sorry.
Ow, babe!
Sorry.
Ouch!
Please, sorry.
Sorry. Ouch!
Bro, how far now? I did. God is okay, keeping you waiting.
How did you keep me waiting for that long? I've injured myself.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Actually, my containers arrived. I was busy with the clearing and sorting.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know it went well.
Oh, very well.
Very well.
Like I know the extra. It's not. Hope you made the food.
Yes, I made some.
Okay, let me just quickly go freshen up. Then I come out to you.
You don't have to go freshen up because I made noodles. I don't want it to get cold. You like it, that's why. Yeah, noodles, spicy noodles. Spicy.
Spicy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What?
No, nothing. Okay. Yeah.
It's spicy.
No problem.
Yeah.
Let's go, right?
And I had some cabbage,
Oh, nice.
hot dogs.
Yes, I love hot dogs.
And chicken. Yeah, something like, fish and all that.
Yeah, we'll just near the dining.
Yes, my love.
Okay.
Yes, baby. My love.
Man, that's what the containers. Hey, you coming to the hotel with babe, Lori Gracie? Yeah, my boys were so busy.
You like it? Yes.
This is great. It's such an amazing.
Thank you. Charles, you like it, right? Yes. You know what, guys? I had it curvy. I had it thyme. I put in some onions, and then you know, the cabbage can't be seen because I blended it. Guess where I learned it from?
YouTube.
YouTube! Yes! Oh my god, so baby, how do you even know about that?
Yes, I know all those things.
Yes. You need more egg.
Okay.
Hey, my brother, my friend. You need one full egg.
Wow.
Get my visitor, I think I should feed you.
Hey!
You need food.
I agree.
You like food. Never growing up now, they say we
Yes.
I like to eat noodles. Noodles are favorite meal. And I was taught to always give you food. Eat.
I think you
Want
did
some
it.
more?
For some strength.
Yeah, after all, I'm a visitor.
And my brother.
And you need it for some energy, you know?
Yeah.
Energy.
Because Indomie gives
Energy. Yes.
Oh my god.
Especially the one where they blend the cabbage.
Yeah, baby.
They blend it like powdered turmeric.
Next time I'm gonna blend I'll put in snail, I'm gonna blend it, you know?
Next time?
Yes!
Oh.
It's nice!
Next time, okay.
Yes. Then I'll blend, like I'm gonna, maybe this time, what I'm gonna do next time, I'll blend it so you won't take it off to liquid form.
You do?
Charles! Oh my
That would be so nice.
I swear!
Like a new recipe. Amazing.
Waiting you give us job. I don't understand. What did I just... Lower your voice. What do you want to lower your voice again? What did she give us to eat? Because I don't understand. Oh, where to where? No, now. That girl needs to go for a catering class. At least for 6 good months. Because what the hell? Like, so, is this the first time she's cooking for you? There's one thing that she results in because she ordinary Indomie, she couldn't prepare. The most part is that it's in the house chores. Come cleaning. You keep the house clean. No. Come. Yeah. So what does she do? What is she good at then? Grandma. I don't go house. You have a lot of guys.
I do actually, bro. And I am sorry for that.
Oh, it's okay.
Once we laughed, now we cry. Caught in shadows, asking why. Hearts once close, now far apart. Can we heal this broken heart?
Welcome, darling. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You stayed long at your friend's place. I was just about leaving.
Well, I got to his place, he wasn't there. I just had to wait for him.
Okay, that's fine.
I bought something for you.
Thank you so much.
Where's Mom?
She should be in her room. I saw her moments ago.
Okay.
Hi. Come on. I've been meaning to ask you something. When are you going to introduce me to your friends? You always talk about them whenever I visit them, and I've never met them.
With the way you look, you want them to laugh at me? You want them to think I have no class or no good taste in women?
No, maybe with time it will happen.
I'm leaving.
Celine, I don't mean it that way, okay? I was just... Baby, please. Alright, I'm sorry. Hasn't gotten to this now. Please.
Please what? Charlie, we've been dating for about a year now. And not even one of your family members have you introduced me to. Even your friends.
Look, my friends, they're not always available, okay? They're just like the full moon. Not coming out all the time. Do you understand?
What about other members of your family aside your mom?
Well, we see once in a year, December period, when I travel with my mom. Who knows, you might travel with us. You know, these things. There's a way we can work it out. Come on, please.
Even talking to them on the phone.
Okay, now, Celine, you're trying to make a fuss out of this, and
Wow.
it's not fair.
Wow,
All right?
great.
It's not fair. I have you, you have me. I mean, that's the most important thing. We're seeing each other. Don't do this, okay? Look, I'm sorry. At the right time, I will introduce you to everybody. You see? I'll show you to the world. You know, take you to a place where you will see everybody. My dad, my mom, my siblings, my friends, all seated in one place. And then you can see everybody and talk to everybody.
But it's taking too long.
Yeah, I know. Patience, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Come on now, you know you're my girl. My baby. And I miss you. And you almost got me scared saying
Stop it. Just leave me alone.
Come on, I know you miss me. You know, let me just take off this.
Why? Why are you taking it off?
You know now.
I don't know.
What are you saying?
Charles, I don't know.
Pretending like you don't want
I
it.
don't. Maybe.
You want it? Wait, let me take it. You know.
Charlie, you're so naughty.
Am I now?
Stop!
Okay.
Baby!
Hey, boo.
Oh my gosh, I've got hot juice for you. Well, come and knock you. Let me knock you story. What happened? You know, I told you that Ato went out. So he called me on the phone and then he said I should come make him something. And I was like, when I hear cook, I say, I know well, we'll say I did sick, that I'm tired, I don't have strength. Oga insisted. He said I must cook for him.
You cook
that
for
he's
Ato?
hungry, he's tired, that my sister said, yeah, it's okay, fine. At that point, I couldn't even, lie. I had to agree. So I cooked for him, not just for him and his friend.
God, that by me. What happened? So what did they say? What happened? Did they enjoy it?
I don't know, but although they praised me, they were like, it was nice.
They praised you, okay?
Yeah.
Ah, God, though. Are you sure they're not being sarcastic about it? Scarlett.
I don't know.
Babe.
That I can say, but they praised me.
Babe, are you sure you've not gone to wash our dirty pattern for outside now? Maybe you don't go disgrace us for there. They're gonna say you know sabi cook. But you know say you know sabi cook. I've been telling you, be following me to the kitchen. 5-year cooking rubbish. Be following me to the kitchen, make you they cook. You don't want to follow me to the kitchen. It's not difficult now to cook. Babe, you can do it. Every day, your phone, your bed. See, as you don't go disgrace us for there. I can bet my left nyash say you don't disgrace us for there. I can bet you disgrace us there.
You don't do. Keep your advice.
God, I beg.
Keep your advice, so I don't want it. My duty in this house is to make money and then you cook. Simple. Wait. When I go out the house, you can't cook na bad thing.
You dey craze. Me cook. You make money. I don't go do you. I don't. You be like saying that this blonde woman ain't the entire eye.
They like the food.
They
praise me.
I ask you, by the way, what did you cook for him?
Noodles.
I don't die. This type way they cook for this house, I be under one. Scarlett, you dey shameless, so you don't even feel use YouTube.
Until they praise me. They say it's sweet.
They don't praise you, my fans.
See, it was so nice that it's
they don't praise you, na lie.
No,
God, I don't. Now your beauty they praise you.
Don't stress yourself.
Madam, don't go disgrace
They praise me, relax. See.
Must you really say that rubbish?
Sorry, let me take this call. Sorry. Hello? Why? No, why?
I literally paid for everything. They increased the fee. So why would the customs seize my goods? Tell me why? Why would they seize the containers? This is absurd. The timing is wrong. You know what? I'll call you back. I'll call you back later.
Guy, Alpha, what's the problem?
Customs service, they seized the containers. They seized my goods.
What for?
It's the wrong timing now. I need money. I need funds. And I'm very low on cash. I invested so much.
So how much
Literally, I poured in everything I have.
How much are we looking at?
To clear it, I think they mentioned like 5 million.
Is that why your face is like this? Just chill out. I'll punch you 4 million, okay? Let's go. Huh?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Is that why you're flaring up? Let's go.
Thanks, man. You know when things like this happen, at
That
unexpected
shouldn't
time.
be making your face so sad like this.
Let's see. Babe. Hey. Yeah, I am.
Okay.
What's up? You made the breakfast? Are you okay?
Am I? Look. I've not been feeling too fine, am I? This is one.
Well, wait. Why do you keep having issues, or you keep having headache whenever I ask you to make something to eat, or make us something to eat?
Pardon?
Yes. Why do you keep doing this thing?
What am I doing? My love, now you started.
Why is it so difficult whenever I ask you to carry out a task or, to do something, you come up with one excuse or the other?
Baby, why are you sounding like I don't cook for you on a normal day?
Do you?
Yeah.
Noodles? Really?
Wow.
Seriously?
What? It's okay.
No, it's not.
I'm sorry.
4?
Yes, I have a headache, but I'm having cough. I'm not too strong.
No problem, it's fine. I'll be on my way. Yeah, have a nice day.
Oh, my love, before you leave, I need something from you. I have this party that I need to attend with my girlfriend, and there's this wig, very lovely.
Wig?
Yeah, wig! And it's cheap. 250k.
250 what?
Yeah, 250k. What is this? Why are you putting your hand behind your back like a lecturer? Come on. It's a chicken change. It's the one you get.
Chicken what?
Change? Come on, you rich. What is it?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have such an amount of money to spend on wig.
Huh?
Yes, I can only spend such amount on food items or whenever I decide to want to cook, not on material things.
Oh. I guess you must be joking.
No, I'm not.
No, you're joking.
Do I look like
You are joking now.
Do I look like a
Joking
comedian?
is worrying you, my love. You're joking. Say, please, just know what you're doing now. Because I don't like this.
So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm confused.
Confused in what sense? I've said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what exactly?
My love, I'm sorry. If it's too bad, when you come back, I'll make you gari and granite. It's simple.
Beg your pardon, Gary, and what?
I'll put milk, put sugar, put bonvita. What is the problem?
Are you being serious right now?
Of course I'm being serious.
I'm going to drink Gary and granite in my own house.
So be that drink gari and granite. Yeah. Okay, oh, what do you mean? When we go outside, we'll enjoy ourselves better. When we're at home, we be natural, be free. I'm a natural girl. I'm natural.
Natural?
Yes, I'm
like
being
drinking
real.
Gary and granite.
Yes, now.
Natural is going outside to go and eat.
Yes, balanced diet.
And balanced diet.
Yes, my love.
And balanced diet is not to make homemade food in this house.
We can balance it now. We can balance it. Send the money, then we'll start from there. See, my love. See, at all. I don't like this. I don't like this. When you go and come back, please send. You have my account already. Just do the needful. Do the needful. I don't want problem. I'm not fine, no. I'm not fine at all.
Slow down. What's going on?
Is he not your friend? I just don't know why he's so stingy towards me. I don't know. What's my offense?
Okay, Okay, do you want me to come over?
Oh, what, please? What are you talking about? You can't come here now. How about? Have you forgotten what happened the last time? Huh? You almost caught us and now you say you want to come here. To do what?
Relax. Arthur is busy at the moment. He has something he's working on.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Okay. If you say so, then that's fine. I'll be waiting for you. Can't wait to see you.
I'll see you soon, okay? All right.
Hi, darling. Breakfast is ready. I served it a while ago, but you didn't come down, so I decided to bring it to you. Oh yeah, come and eat. What's wrong?
I have an emergency, okay? I need to attend to it. But it's okay, you can keep the food. When I come back, I'll eat it.
What is it? I can't wait.
It's life and death. Yes.
Charlie, the food will be cold by the time you get back.
Yeah, no, just microwave it or something. When I return, okay?
Microwave custard, really?
Who's that? I'm coming.
You open the store.
What happened? Hey. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming.
Yeah, hello. How far now? Where you dey?
I did business.
I thought you were with Otto.
Yeah, I was supposed to see you.
Ah, because he called me earlier on. He told me he's with his clearing agent and he forgot his parking list. So while I was conversing with him, my phone got off. But I've been able to charge my phone since then, but I haven't been able to reach him back. I don't know if he has come to pick up the stuff.
Okay, but we're not together. Okay, where are you?
Yeah, I'm heading somewhere right now.
So what's the plan?
You know what? Just leave it. He will sort it out himself, okay?
You sure? I should. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, baby. I have your words again. Okay.
Where were we?
Slowly,
What is it?
Madam, remember I told you I was in experience with you?
Yes. Okay. Challenge here now. What is it? Is it money problem?
Hey, I have this really good. Listen, this party I went to attend with my friends, and I saw this wig. It's very pretty, like me. So I just need some money. So I can attend the party.
How much is it?
It's just 250K.
250,000 naira. It's nothing.
Are you serious?
No, it's not a problem. You know, women have noticed that God is into. People want us to speak your language. The one you understand faster, which is money. Nice. Challenge you. Don't you come?
I just want to my house.
Don't you think?
Okay. I love the Lord. Don't cheat again.
Is that it?
Yes, baby. Oh my god.
Okay. Sent.
You said it?
Check.
Like that fast?
Check.
Oh my god. Let me check it. Oh, baby. Thank you so much. Oh, my baby.
You're happy now?
I'm so excited.
You're very happy.
Yes.
It's okay.
I have got some treats for you. Nicely.
Wait for that.
I know! I hope you're ready for
After
me
you.
because, you know,
I know.
I'm so happy for you, baby.
What the fuck? Charlie!
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Hello.
My baby.
I got us some fruits, okay?
Oh.
Just move closer.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, this is nice.
I know.
Oh.
What are you watching?
Just this.
Okay. Charlie! Charlie, what's the matter? Charlie, you're not happy. What's going on? Charlie.
What is it?
You're
No.
not
What?
talking to
What?
me.
What is it?
You're shouting at me. Alright, I'm leaving.
And that's supposed to be an information? Is that not the door?
Okay, that's fine. Can I have the 250,000 I borrowed from you this morning?
I don't have it.
But you said you will return it when you come back.
And I'm saying now I don't have it.
Are you serious? Are you joking with me? What makes you think you can speak to me in that tone over money I borrowed you? Money I kept from my business.
You know, can you just give me time to, just give me space to think? I need to think.
Are you high? You think you can talk to me in that tone? Why do you keep treating me like trash? No respect whatsoever. What did I ever do to you?
Get out.
What?
Get out. I said, get out.
Child!
Get out.
My God!
Get out of my room. Get out. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh, holy Moses. Hey. Hey, I'm sorry. Hope I didn't hurt you.
I'm so sorry, sir. I was lost in thought.
Lost in thought? You almost landed me in trouble.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm so sorry.
No, actually, I should be the one saying sorry. Your life is also at stake here. But why lost in thought? You look troubled. Is everything okay?
I'm fine.
You look troubled.
I'm fine, sir.
You sure?
Yes. I'm fine. Thank you for your concern.
You're welcome. Anyway, I'm Otto.
That name sounds familiar.
Really?
Yes. Never mind. I'm Celine.
Celine, that's a nice name.
Thank you.
I've not heard of that name before. Yeah.
Thank you.
That'll be very welcome. So, friends?
Okay.
So you don't mind helping me with your number?
That's fine.
Let me get my phone. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll call.
Thank you.
I'll text you also.
Thank you. All right.
Yeah, thank you too. Please be safe and don't be lost again.
I won't be.
Yeah.
Bye.
Where are you headed to?
It's okay. It's fine.
You stay around here?
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just get a cab. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, what have I done? I am finished. What have I done wrong? Oh God. Babes, I am finished. I am finished. I've messed up.
Now.
I have messed up big time.
What have you done? Talk to me.
You know, I told you I was at Atto's place when Charlie came around and then Atto stepped out.
Open your mouth now. What happened?
I don't know how it happened.
Okay.
Me and Charlie had sex and was caught in the act by Leo, who visited us so unexpectedly.
So what are you gonna do now?
I'm just thinking of going to go see Leo so I could, beg him so he doesn't tell Atto what happened.
See Leo. Do you think the guy will keep his mouth shut?
I don't know. I honestly don't know, but I just have to beg him. I have to try.
Scarlett, I told you not to do this now. Eh?
Hey! God, this is just too much for me to bear. What have I done to myself?
This is the right time to have Arthur all to myself. At least I can cook. I can clean. I can wash. And I'm also beautiful. Now. But come to think of it, why is it that good women don't get good men?
Hey. Babe, you wouldn't have done this, You wouldn't have done. Just come and sit down. Maybe we'll just figure out something. I don't even know. I don't know. Why did you do this? Every time you just keep knocking around like someone that is not circumcised. You'll be good, Seth. What's happen?
Leo, I'm really not comfortable with this place that you want us to see. I thought we would have seen in your place, but it's okay. No, it's fine. I respect it.
You and I can go to my house. I have my reasons why we're here.
I respect it. I respect that reason so well. Leo, please. I just want to beg you. Don't tell her what happened. Please. Let it just be between two of us. Just two of us, please. Don't. I know I've fucked up. I've messed up big time.
Really?
Please.
You want me to hide something that is as grievous as this?
No.
From somebody that I call a friend and a brother?
No.
Impossible.
Yes, impossible, because I don't want you to hide it. Just hide it from him. Let it be between the two of us, please.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Why is he even calling? I'm listening. Where are you? I'm in Crescent Avenue.
That's wonderful. I know I betrayed off. I know I betrayed you guys, but please, I can make up for this. You know I can make up for it. But guy, if you messed up, you fucked up. You of all people. You and I are not just friends. We're like brothers from time memorial. You just messed everything up. That's why I'm telling you to relax, okay? I want to make amendment. I don't know what came over me. Well, I blame that hoe that parades herself with class. She has proven to us that caller was right. Yes. And I guess it's the red flag Otto saw in her that made Otto stop spending on her. Exactly. I blame the girl too. I blame that Jezebel. Please, I hope you really deal with it. Yeah, hello. What's up, my G? How are you? Charlie and I are in the house. Nice. You guys should be there. You should come and chill. Alright, we'll come. He said we should meet him up until lunch. Means that we should come soon.
Project! Yo, look at this man.
Hey,
how
man,
you doing,
you? I'm good. Hello, I'm fine.
More drinks, more bottles. No dead. Pills on me.
Otto, you haven't told us the reason for this sudden celebration.
Oh my God, tell us this, right?
Really?
Yes. That calls for celebration.
Massive celebration.
Oh, please, let her get drink and water.
Yes.
Please.
Go there. Man, these guys almost cost me heart attack. I'm serious. No much investment. Yes. Drink up, guys. Drink. You tell them to be fast with the anso and catfish, okay? Yes, thank you. Drink. It's too cool. Charles, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. Just when you've been acting distracted, like, I don't know. It's just the temperature. I want you to. Yeah, you high already? Okay.
Celine, please forgive my son. He's young and might be foolish, but he didn't mean to hurt you.
He didn't just hurt me, Mom. He humiliated me for nothing.
I know. And I am sorry. Please. Give him another chance. I'll ask him to transfer the money to you, but if he doesn't, don't worry, I'll do it. Okay? Again, Celine, thank you for your maturity.
Thank you, Mom.
Hmm?
I am not comfortable around your friend anymore.
Which of them? What happened?
Babe.
Hmm?
You know I'm a lady that loves peace so much. I have been waiting, finding it so hard to talk to you about this. But I just don't know how to go about it. I feel like I just don't want to ruin you guys' friendship. I don't want to ruin the bond you guys share together.
Okay, but what happened? You're not communicating. You're not saying anything. What's the problem?
God, it's okay. It's fine. Don't worry. Let's just watch TV, you know. Let's just forget about it.
What's the problem, babe? What's the meaning of that? Talk to me. What's the problem? What happened?
Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me just talk. Let me just say it.
Okay.
Leo is not someone you should keep around you.
Why say so?
My love,
Yes?
you won't believe that the person you call your friend Leo has been stalking me. Leo has been begging me, trying to force him. Baby, do you know that time that you told Leo to come pick up something from the house?
Yes.
Hi! Leo tried to force himself on me!
What? Leo did what?
Why are you raising your voice?
No, say that again.
Okay,
Leo
okay.
did.
This was why I didn't want to tell you. This was why I didn't want to tell. I don't, because the same way you're
Are you
reacting.
kidding me?
Why are you
Leo did
squeezing your-
what?
Why are you squeezing your
And why won't I squeeze my face?
Okay. My love, the way you're doing this hand.
How dare?
Why are you
How dare you? Stop this. How dare you?
What's happening?
You're supposed to be my friend. Don't even pretend.
Okay.
What's going on? Can somebody tell me what's going on here?
Are you insane? How dare you try to force yourself on my woman? How dare you? How dare you?
Also, you're pushing me.
Are you kidding me? How dare you try to force yourself on my woman? You did Chris.
He's leaving me then. Love, just leave him. It's okay.
Now get out.
You're asking me to leave your house. Otto.
My love.
You did Chris. I'll be the one to come.
You're asking me to leave.
Come on, get out. Come on, get out.
It's okay. It's okay.
Get out.
It's okay.
My love, it's okay.
It's okay. I'll leave. I'll leave.
He just said it's okay. Leave him.
Yeah, get out. Get out. I'm gonna go bust your head now. Get out.
You'll regret this.
Come on, come up my
My love,
house.
why did you push him? Why would you push him? This was it. I didn't want to talk about this. I was saying I'm so keep quiet. Now you've done it. You've done your worst. That's why I didn't want to tell you.
Are you kidding me? So what do you expect me to do? What you do rather I do?
See, no.
I should clap for him?
You should just let him be.
Are you kidding? Let him be for trying to force himself on my woman? This isn't the first time he's doing something like this. And you're trying to tell me that I should just let him be.
Are you serious?
He has done this before.
You mean?
With a girl I once dated. This is not the first time he has done something like this.
I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. And to think that he looks calm. He looks simple. My love, do you know that? Let me tell you something that happened. There was a time he came in here. When he came in, he tried to grab my boobs. And I said, if you, I will blow his head.
And I did not break his head.
You would have broke his head.
I did not break his head.
You would have broke his head.
He tried.
You would have broke his head, my love.
I mean, you did this. I'm disappointed. He betrayed our friendship and my trust for him. Come on. Like, I don't even want Leo anywhere close to me again, not in this life or the next. He's not even supposed to be my friend in the first place.
Yeah, I feel you. He did what you said he did, and that's some serious nonsense.
What are boundaries for now? Huh? He knew Scarlett was my girl.
Exactly.
Come on. Put your sexual libido in check. Like, bro, control your mango. Like, or you go out there now, the world's population, there are many women.
Exactly.
What a mess. Yes, I punched him because I was upset, I was irritated. I'm a human being. Such actions could be met with my kind of reaction, you understand?
It's not true. I feel you. But I still think you were nice. Oh yeah, you were nice. Yeah, I would have done worse. I've done worse. You messed up, man. No matter what. Don't start. I felt like everything ended with Lily, and now Scarlett. What's with him and my women? Like, bro, what's up? It's okay. It sucks, I beg. Yeah, there will always be Judas. We carry out. It's even more worse. Judas Christ, Majesty. I can't even deal. It's okay. He's a brother.
Hey, darling. What's up?
Hi, babe. I'm not going. Do you really have to go?
Listen, do not miss me too much, okay?
But I'm missing you already. This whole house is gonna be boring without you.
I'm only just staying for just a few weeks, and I'll be back.
Did you just say a few weeks? Few weeks is too much now. Can you just do 2 days? Okay, 2 days and a half. Okay, 3. Fine, 3 days.
I see someone is really gonna miss me for real. Okay, it's okay. I'll be back soon.
Are
Okay?
you sure?
Yeah. Come on, smile, Joe. Smile. Whatever. It's all good. Just know I love you. Okay?
Me too.
Bye, my love.
Safe flights.
Thank you.
Oh, gosh. This house.
Yeah. Where are you exactly? Okay. Tell them you're coming to Otto's place at the estate. You know what? Just put the phone on speaker. Let me speak to them. Yes, please let her in. She's coming to my apartment. Yeah, T60. Okay. Thank you. Ask them to direct you, okay? I'll see you soon. That's enough. That's a foul. Yellow. Come in. Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Good day.
Good day. Welcome. Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's sit.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hope it wasn't stressful for you.
No. Your place is really nice.
Thank you.
It seems you like artwork. They are very beautiful.
I do. Thanks. So, what do I offer you?
Anything soft is fine.
You're just trying to be modest?
No, really. Anything soft is good.
Okay. Just give me a second.
Okay.
I'm coming. Just a second.
That's fine.
Here.
Thank you. Thank
Sorry.
you so much. It's okay.
To greatness.
Okay.
To beautiful moments.
Okay.
Open possibility.
Yes.
Or possibilities. To something magical.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Your place is really nice. Really,
Thank you.
really, really nice.
Thanks.
The artwork, I'll keep talking about them. They're so beautiful. Really.
Iman's got taste.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. So tell me
Yes.
everything about your boyfriend.
Well, I think my relationship has been one-sided.
And how do you mean by one-sided?
I've been the one trying to make the relationship work. I think so. My man doesn't care if we go our separate ways or not. I think he's not proud of me. He doesn't show me to his family and friends.
Oh, wow.
But I'm proud of him. And the truth is, I love him.
You know, some men don't know the kind of woman they have until they lose her.
You remember the day we met?
Very well.
I had a very rough moment with him. He nearly beat me up and pushed me out of his house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's really bad of him. Okay, now I can put up the pieces together as per why you were lost in thoughts that exact day. So sorry about that.
It's fine, thank you. Is everything fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything is fine. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm wishing for a relationship with you that could lead to marriage. And I hope I'm not going to forward with that.
I don't have an answer for you yet.
Why?
I don't... Just give me some time, okay? But definitely, I will give you an answer soon.
Well, definitely isn't definitive, you know. No pressure. No pressure. Take your time.
Thank you.
I'm a gentleman, so...
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Also, why do you keep looking at me like that? I'm getting uncomfortable.
I wouldn't stare at such gorgeousness sitting before me. And
Thank
the
you.
beauty radiates from the inside out. You're welcome.
I'm coming.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry, come in, please.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Very well. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Please, I am so sorry. So sorry, please, for the mess. I've been so busy.
It's okay.
Okay, let me just hurry up to go finish up what I'm doing in the room. I'm trying to copy some files into my hard drive.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yep. What are you doing?
You're done? Are you done?
Yes. What are you doing?
I don't like scattered environment. It irritates me. So I just want to put this place together, okay? So please, what's the way to your kitchen so I can take the dishes and maybe wash them?
Don't worry about that. I'll take care of it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Please don't stress yourself.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man. Okay, go ahead. I can hear you. Yeah, but that is why I have you there. Just explain to them what I do and we'll pick it up from there. I'm a man of principle, okay? I don't say what I will not do and I don't do what I will not say. Do you understand?
Hi, John.
Hold on, give me a minute. What are you doing here?
It's been weeks since we had a misunderstanding. You haven't taken my call since then or called me or responded to my messages. The reason I'm here.
Let me call you back, okay?
Charlie, it's obvious you want this relationship to come to an end. And that's fine. God knows I've given my all to this relationship. I've given you my time, my money, my heart, my body and soul, and you just throw it all to the mud. That's also fine. We've been dating for over a year now, and I've never asked you for anything. All I've asked for is love and attention. But that's fine. Let God judge you. Have a nice life.
Okay. Suit yourself.
Of course I will suit myself, Charlie. Of course I will. Stay home. So classy.
Celine, I have tried my best to talk some senses into my son. To make him see reasons to treat you right. But I guess men will always have their way around. I will not advise you to stay in such a toxic relationship. Do you hear me? Celine, I am a woman like you. But this right now, I'm talking to you as a mother. Do not stay where you are not needed. Do not die for a man who is not willing to die with you. Go to a place where you are valued, loved, and respected. Place yourself on high esteem. Build yourself up. And some good men will come looking for you. But one thing I know for sure, my son will someday regret ever losing you. Do you hear me? It's okay. Wipe your tears.
Thank you so much for... Thank you, Mom, for everything you've done for me in this relationship. I'm grateful. I really wish to have a mother-in-law like you.
It's okay, my darling.
Thank you.
Wipe your tears.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm going to leave now.
Hold on. Who is it? Okay.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
what is this? A dispatch just dropped it off for you, I think.
Go ahead, open.
Really?
It's for you.
You didn't have to bother yourself. If I wanted any of it, I could afford to get them myself.
Yeah, I'm aware of that. But how about the one I got for you? At least to show you that I care.
Oh my God.
Because I know your love language.
But this is a lot.
Is it? This is just a test run for me to see how it's gonna fit on you. Then after which, we'll go proper shopping. A wardrobe change, you explore.
Could this be the reason my ex didn't take me anywhere? He never introduced me to anyone, his family, colleagues, friends.
I don't know. Maybe.
Wow.
Yep.
Well, I'm just a simple girl. I don't care about material things. I don't like to bother myself.
I know, but how about the one that I want? Simple girl. I'm not a simple man. I'm a classy man. I'm a classy man.
Okay.
You can
Thank you.
I'm a classy man. Of course, I love my ladies looking all classy, you know. So you have to look classy for daddy. Yep.
But this is a lot. You didn't have to bother, really.
Anything for my baby girl. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, because I already put in place a stylist for you, a session also for your spa, massage, pedicure, manicure, makeup artist, everything. Because you're gonna have a photo session.
A photo section?
Oh yes.
That is so much. What's the need for all of that?
Is it? Oh, I've not told you the plans I have for us going to Zanzibar, Seychelles. Okay, you know
Thank you
what?
so much.
Go test them. I'm waiting.
Now? Can we do that later?
ASAP. Okay. Cap locks.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Wow.
Don't keep a gentleman waiting for too long.
I'll try not to.
Okay.
Man, no, I see. No shortcuts, give me the food. No, but what you know my style. Me, I know how I do my thing. Oh, but I assure you, I am happier. Fast straight girl first. At least I get to see how to tell you. I do, right? Thank you. You know, if not for one thing, I'm not. Oh, you come down. Anyway, cheers. 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 So, back to why should you do this with time? You know me, I don't need I was thinking, she has a sister. At least, are you with me?
Celine?
You guys know each other?
What? Is she the one we're waiting for?
Yes, my woman.
What do you mean your woman? Are you kidding me? Also, I thought you were my friend. They were brothers.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? How? This is Selena, my woman now.
Excuse me.
Man, fuck this shit, man. What nonsense.
Charles! Charles! Okay, what the hell is going on here? I brought you so that I can introduce you to my friend. What's going on?
I didn't know who's your friend. It's my ex-husband's account.
Wait, the same guy you've been talking about. Oh.
Celine. Yes, Mom, it's me. Wow. Hi. How have you been, Mom? It's good to see you.
You look amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Mom, I'm so grateful for all the good advice you gave me. I took them, put them to good use. And now, I'm the woman everyone is proud to talk about, including the man that didn't see me as anything.
I'm so happy for you, my dear.
Thank you.
You know, sometimes in life, we live to surprise certain people.
Thank you, Mom. I need to go. My man is waiting for me, but can I drop you? Where are you going to?
No, I just want to get something there.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
Mom, are you sure? It's really alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom. Alright, bye.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
You again?
Are you home?
Why?
Talk now, I'm close to your house.
Do you even know where I stay?
Look, I don't just know where you stay. I know where your friend lives as well.
You know where all my friends live. This is strange. Come in!
Maureen.
Hello.
Welcome, please. I wasn't expecting this visit.
I was what I called you actually.
You?
Mm-hmm.
The unknown caller?
Look, Arthur, Scarlett is my friend. Like, Scarlett is my babe. I know her more than you think you do. And if you think I'm lying, hold on. Listen to the voice.
Daddy, I don't know how it all happened. Me and Charlie had sex in the house and was caught in the act by Leo, who visited us unexpectedly. I don't even know why he came. Oh my God.
I think that's enough. And before you think that Leo did something wrong, I tell you, Leo is innocent, totally innocent. Look, Scarlett has been wanting to sleep with Charlie all this while. Why are you so blind? Like, do you not notice it? The way she look at him, the way she twists her waist each time she's around Charlie, you don't notice. Scarlett slept with Charlie right in your own bed. And you think she's all so good.
God.
Scarlett, my foot. Look, Arthur, look at me now. Check me out now. Do you not like me? Look at me. Just look at me. How do you prefer Scarlett to this total package? Scarlett will get flat nyash. I mean, look at me. I carry front too. I carry back. I be a good product too. I mean, don't you notice all this beauty? Just take a look at this beauty. Take a look. Take a look at this beauty. You don't even notice this. Look, my mother is from Calabar. And my father is from Enugu State. Nkano to be precise. Arthur. And if I give you this one, if you chop, when you finish eating the food I made for you, you come chop this one. Beg. I don't beg. I'm begging you. I will slice you in bed. I will take you to hell. You see my food, if you eat this one, it goes scatter. You can get dreaded. Come now, eh? It will take you straight to hell. Yes. What is wrong with you? Don't you like me? Eh? You want me to twerk for you? It a shake, it a bounce. Come now.
Hey. So, wait. Wait, come on. So, this is why you came here. To betray your friend. So you can have me. Where's your loyalty? I get it's the revelation part of Charlie and Scarlett. But now to stab your friend behind her back. Because of this? No integrity? No loyalty? Don't touch me! You're such a disgrace. I can't have anything to do with someone like you, not your friend Scarlett. Not in this life or the next. And no one deserves a friend like you. Yes. And for your information, I can never go to hell. And you won't take me to hell. Which kind? Come on. Which kind good hair be that one? Good hair, bad hell, all hellfire and hellfire. So now you just do what? Just stand up. Stand. Yes, stand.
With all this package.
Carry the package like that. Yes, the package. Yes. Take your bag. Take it. The package. No. Don't even turn with the package. With the package. Go. Now. Leave. Get out. Get out. Goodness gracious. Your mother is from Calabar. Your father is from Nkano. And you will give me combination of both and you will kill me before my time. I bind and cast you. Charlie. Scarlett. Charlie.
What? You even get mine to step into my house. After what you did? No, I thought you were my friend, my brother. And you did this to me behind my back. It's funny how you fought Leo over the same thing you just did to me right now.
Just shut up, Charles. Shut it.
I should shut up?
Yes.
In my house?
You heard me. You think I won't find out? You think I don't know you slept with Scarlett? In my house. My bedroom. On my bed. You think I don't know of your escapades with Scarlett? How dare you? Of all people, you having an affair with your best friend's fiancé. So now tell me, what's the betrayal? You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you, crying over someone you never treated with love and respect. The same girl we never knew was your fiancé all this while. The same girl you weren't proud to showcase to the world. But you knew of my woman. You knew of Scarlett. You knew how much I loved her. You unzipped your pants. No thoughtfulness. No loyalty. You forgot the bro code. No class. And you banged. I cursed the day I met you. I cursed that friendship. I cursed that brotherhood.
Arthur, look. It wasn't.
If what I just heard is true, then you are a disgrace. By the way, why are you fighting over Celine? The same girl you could not keep? Isn't that shameful? Because another man took her in and brushed her up, you think she's not good enough for you? Audacity to even think about that need to be studied. And if Arthur should back down for you, I will spit on his face. Meaning he's not man enough. Rubbish. I want you, Lita. I want you. Nonsense.
Oh my God, I have to call Charles. Just have to call him. Hello? Can we talk?
No, we can't.
I don't get you. Why?
You still ask? Don't you have any remorse? You had reasoned 3 friends who grew up like brothers are now enemies of themselves.
Oh, please spare me that talk. What is it? Eh? Please don't even try to pay me bad, because I'm not bad. And whatever you paint me, you're also a bad person. I didn't force myself on you. Whatever we had was consensual. So don't just stop it. Really? Yes, really. What is it? Anyways, I didn't call you for all of this. I called to tell you that I am pregnant. What? Okay. Yes. I am pregnant for you. Okay.
You're pregnant for me?
I am pregnant for you.
That can be true. Because I don't believe I am the only guy you are Besides, you just came back from Abuja a few days ago. Who knows who you went to meet?
Are you serious? Charles? Like you just said this to me? Don't even think that I'm a prostitute. I am no prostitute. The fact that you sleep with me on some days doesn't mean that I'm loose to every man out there. What is it? Listen to me, Charles. I am pregnant and you are the father of my unborn baby. Okay? So get that straight. And that is why I'm calling you. Hello? Hello? Charles? Hello? He hanged up on me. Oh my God. I'm in trouble. What am I going to do? Oh my God. What am I going to do now? God, have mercy on me. I can't abort this child. I cannot abort my baby. I am pregnant for Charles, and now he's trying to deny it. He's trying to paint me bad. God, I don't want to die a single mother. I can't be a single mother. Charles, you would have to pick up my call. You must accept this baby. You must accept this baby. You don't have a choice. Oh God, and the fact is I don't even know who the father of my baby is. I don't know if it's Charles or Arthur. God. I am done for. Oh God. What do I do?
Once we laughed, now we cry. Caught in shadows.
I am so sorry for everything. I'm sorry.
What the hell are you doing here?
Trust me, that's not the reason why I came here.
Then why are you here?
I came here because I just found out that I'm pregnant. I'm
And how is that my business? You're pregnant for who?
For you.
After frolicking the environment and the whole country with other men? And you don't want to nail the pregnancy on me?
I know who the father of my child is.
And who's the father of your child?
You, my love, please.
Are you
I
okay?
know you're mad at me, please. Just find it in
Of course I am mad at you.
Sorry.
And I detest you.
Please.
So now get out. Get out.
I should go.
No. Disappear.
Ato,
Will you get out this minute? Come on, get out. Get lost.
please, just give me a reason.
I don't want to be aggressive towards you. Get out.
Please, Ato,
Just disappear, miss. Get out. Move. Get going.
Ato, just give me a listening ear.
You disgust me. Move. Hi, baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Who was that?
Scarlett. She said she's pregnant for me.
What?
You can imagine, after frolicking the environment with other
Pregnant?
men. Yes. And she's trying to pin the pregnancy on me, you can imagine. She's done with that nonsense, illicit and irresponsible, promiscuous lifestyle, only to come nail the pregnancy on me.
That's very interesting. Anyway,
So, what's up?
how was your day?
Fantastic, and yours?
Except Scarlett, I presume.
So, how was your appointment?
It was good.
Okay. Were you able to meet with the doctor?
I did.
Then?
He conducted a test, and there is news.
Okay. I'm dying to hear it.
I'm pregnant.
It's a lie.
It is true.
You're being serious?
He ran the test more than once, so it is confirmed. You're going to be a father.
That's why we come here. Hey.
Mwah. Mwah. I'm so happy.
I love you.
I love you too.
So I'm gonna be if I the soonest.
Okay, so but don't get too excited, okay? Because I know how you get when you're very excited.
Oh, of course. I was actually headed to come pick you up because I was bored.
Okay. Well, why didn't you call me?
Why would I call you? How about the surprise?
So you had a good day, aside Scarlett.
Well,
we need to celebrate.
of course, that's what we're doing. I apologize. I am sorry. I regret my actions. I mean, I feel so embarrassed. I shouldn't have done what I did. Let alone let myself be manipulated by a woman. Felt as though I lacked the skill of discernment.
And I must really task myself to do better. I'm working on that part of me. So I'm sorry, please. Forgive me, Leo.
Also, you really messed up. You broke the friendship code. A oath you and I have taken a long time ago. You just swept everything away. You messed up.
I'm sorry. I know I overreacted and I should have contacted you at least to hear from you.
Also, listen, you heard something from someone and you didn't even bother to call me. Your friend, somebody that is like a brother to you, you humiliated me, you insulted me and asked me to leave your house. You really made me feel you have something in mind.
No.
Yes, because of the way you did.
No, I had nothing in mind, to be honest with you. I only reacted from a place of emotions. I'm a human being. Especially with our past experience. Lily, remember?
I know, but you shouldn't just have go solo to believe her.
Yes.
Believing all those trash she's saying.
I would have contacted you and that's my bad. I'm taking the responsibility and accountability for my actions, Leo.
And for your ex, Lily, you made me go to her. Because we had a bet, remember?
Are we gonna go over that again?
No, I'm just trying to let you know.
Of course I know. That's why I'm apologizing to you. If not for anything, for brotherhood's sake.
Because now you...
No vex. Thanks, man.
We share your
Oh, yeah, no. Hey, guy, you're the para, they blow. You're the para. Hey, you don't be a cookie dog. You're the back. My guy. I'll catch up now. Respect, drive safe.